Have you ever felt like your mind is racing while your body is calling for rest? I'm here to introduce you to a simple practice that helps to ease tension, quiet your thoughts, and find a sense of calm. Today, I'll guide you through a body scan meditation, a practice designed to help you reconnect with your body and promote deep relaxation. Hi, and welcome to SoulShower Studio, where we nourish souls, one drop at a time. I'm so glad you've joined us to take this mindful pause together. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just need a reset, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through a gentle body scan meditation, a practice perfect for anyone looking to relax. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes to focus on yourself. A body scan meditation is a mindfulness practice where you gently guide your attention to different areas of the body, one by one. It helps release built-up tension, bring you back to the present moment, and deepen your connection with yourself. Whether you're unwinding after a long day, preparing for a restful night, or simply checking in, this practice is incredibly grounding. Let's now get ready for our meditation. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. You can lie down on a bed or yoga mat, or sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Make sure you're in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. If you'd like, dim the lights or play soft background music to create a calming atmosphere. Once you're ready, let's start the guided meditation. Let's begin by closing your eyes or softening your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs and expanding your rib cage. Hold it gently for a moment. Now, exhale fully through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Take another deep breath in, feeling the cool air entering. Hold it for a count of 2, and exhale slowly, allowing your body to soften. One more time. A deep breath in. Hold. And a long, slow exhale, letting everything go. We'll now begin with the body scan. Throughout this practice, notice sensations in each part of your body without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently guide your focus back to this moment, back to your breath, and back to your body. Start by bringing your attention to your feet. Feel your right foot. Then slowly shift your attention to your left foot. Are they warm or cool? Heavy or light? Gently wiggle your toes, noticing any tingling or other sensations. On your next inhale, imagine breathing fresh energy into your feet. And as you exhale, release any tension you find there. Now, shift your focus to your legs, your calves, knees, and thighs. Are they relaxed, or do they feel tight? Take a slow breath in, imagining warmth and ease flowing into your legs. As you exhale, let go of any tightness, allowing your legs to feel heavy and grounded. Next, bring awareness to your lower back and abdomen. Notice the natural rise and fall of your belly with each breath. Maybe you feel tightness here, or maybe there's a sense of ease. Whatever you notice, acknowledge it without judgment. Breathe in deeply, letting your belly expand, and exhale fully, softening your lower back and abdomen as you do. Focus now on your chest and shoulders. Feel how your chest expands with each inhale and softens with each exhale. Are your shoulders tight or raised? If so, allow them to drop slightly with your next breath out. Inhale, bringing lightness to this area, and exhale, releasing the tension that no longer serves you. Now shift your attention to your arms and hands. Feel the weight of your arms resting at your sides. Maybe your hands are warm or cool, still or pulsing with subtle energy. Take a deep breath, imagining a wave of relaxation flowing from your shoulders, down through your arms, to the tips of your fingers. And as you exhale, let your arms and hands grow heavy and at ease. Bring your focus to your neck and jaw. These areas often hold tension you might not even notice. Is your jaw clenched? Is your neck stiff? Breathe in deeply, allowing space and softness to fill these areas. And as you exhale, release any tightness, letting your jaw relax and your neck feel light. Finally, bring attention to your face and scalp. Notice if you're holding tension in your forehead, around your eyes, or in your temples. With your next breath, imagine a wave of calm sweeping across your face. Let your eyelids grow heavy, your forehead smooth, and your entire face soften. Take a deep breath in, filling your whole body with a sense of peace. Hold it for a moment. And exhale completely, letting go of any lingering tension. When you're ready, begin to bring awareness back to the room you're in. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take one final deep breath. When it feels right, open your eyes. Welcome back. How do you feel now? Hopefully more grounded, relaxed, and present than when we began. This practice is a gift you can return to anytime you need to reset and reconnect with yourself. Just skip ahead to the guided meditation or select one of the other guided meditations on our channel. Thank you for sharing this moment of mindfulness with us. If this practice helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SoulShower Studio, where we continue to nourish souls, one drop at a time. See you next time.